Hello kids! Today learning 2D shapes. Kids, shapes drawing and color fill. First color name kids. This color name light pink color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, light green color, purple color and brown color. Kids, shapes drawing green color, a star. Quadrilateral. Round rectangle. Circle. L shape. Seven-point star. Kids, color fill. First color, light green color, star. Pink color, trapezoid. Quadrilateral. Rounded rectangle, brown color. Purple color. Circle. Orange color kids, L shape. Sky blue color, 7-point star. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.